Germany. This is where high-performance sealants and coatings are born. Developed, manufactured, and dispatched in Germany. In use across the globe for safe traffic surfaces and for responsible protection of soil, water, and the environment. Durability is the best form of environmental protection, and it significantly reduces maintenance costs. We don't just deliver products. We transfer technology to the world without compromise. EUROTEAM Construction Chemicals. German quality deployed worldwide. Safety has a name. EUROTEAM Construction Chemicals. Made in Germany, trusted worldwide.